Long ago, in an ancient Vietnamese kingdom, there lived a wise king who deeply allowed. One day, enemies a kingdom fell.
I failed my people. I lost my country.
Moved by his loyalty and grief, the spirits of heaven
Whenever people hear the call of the cuckoo bird, they remember the fallen king and the land he loved.
True love for one's homeland never fades. Even in loss, loyalty lives on forever.
Thanks for watching this magical Vietnamese tale. If you loved it, hit like and subscribe to Viet Wonder Stories for more unexpected legends.